I will show you how to buy items in Roblox. First, open Roblox in your browser. If you have logged in first, go to Avatar. Select Get More. Select what item you want to buy. Then click on the item. Select Buy. Then click Buy Robux and Item. You will be referred to what methods to pay. Select one like credit card or PayPal. Enter your debit card information. Or if you use PayPal, log into your PayPal account and confirm payment. Congratulations, you have purchased an item from Roblox.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.